Welcome to Tech Edify, and in this video we are introducing the new Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G phone. Welcome to the future of smartphones. Introducing the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G, where cutting-edge technology meets timeless design. With its stunning seamless design, the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G redefines elegance, crafted with premium materials concerned with beauty. This phone is a true masterpiece in your hand. Experience visual like never before on the 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display. Every detail comes to life with vibrant colors and sharp contrast, perfect for streaming, gaming, and browsing. Capture your world in stunning clarity with the revolutionary 200 megapixels camera. From breathtaking landscapes to detailed close-ups, this camera ensures you never miss a moment. Power through your day with the Snapdragon 888 processor and 12GB of RAM. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G delivers lightning-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and an unparalleled gaming experience. Stay connected like never before with the 5G capabilities. Enjoy blazing fast download speeds, lag-free streaming, and real-time gaming wherever you are. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The massive 8100 mAh battery keeps you powered all day, and with 65-watt fast charging, you will be back up and running in no time. Your security is also rest assured with an in-display fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, and advanced AI security features. The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G keeps your data safe and secure. Elevate your smartphone experience with the Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Innovation, performance, and style all in one perfect package. Is available now, so you can check out in any mobile phone shops. Please subscribe to this channel and also keep sharing our content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.